right. Join the Discord. There's some free channels in there. We've had some good gains on like the long port stuff. I'm also helping people pass their evals. Hit like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel. It does help it grow. And there's some affiliate discounts down in the description if you're interested. All right, let's do our forward outlook for this upcoming week. We did have today off. Here's our yearly, here's our hourly, and here's our 15-minute. As you can see, this level here, this interim level, was purged down. Our structure still remains strong on SPY. So that lower value area on the hourly is 402.33. We're looking for this level to hold if we're going to continue up into our premium draw on liquidity. That will be a push through this high here at 418.31 into 425.31. And then we will look to run this high here that's at 431.73 into our optimal range too short. Okay. And that's actually in like 440. I think 435 is perfect. 435 is a perfect range. Slightly early, but you'll be fine with some time. But that's assuming that we hold this level. What we'll be looking for is if 402.33 gives out, we have cause for concern. Okay. And right now it's at 407.26, so it's pretty close. If we take a look, just going from SPY over to ES, all right, and we're looking at this on a volume profile standpoint on the hourly, we have mitigated all of our imbalances. And then we started seeing when the CPI came in hot, we're starting to see we had displacement. Okay. And this is the first time we've seen some true displacement down. You see how this took a little bit, took a few hours to actually claw down into this range compared to this is a single hour. All right. Took a few hours to claw back into it, single hour. It's really not what you like to see. So for a downside target, I've been using 40.50 as our pivot. And I said we cannot lose 40.50. We got as low as, well, I got it right here. We got as low as 40.55. That's pretty close. Yep, 40.55. We need this level to hold as well as here. The only spot where I could see that this could get ran slightly for like a turtle soup play would be a push down into 40.20, but I don't like it. Below 40.50, we're gonna have to target some real decent downside moves. So let's take a look at this on TradingView. Okay, and let's see exactly what targets we'd be looking for. So let's just draw a line on it. So we have our clear pivot point. Let's call it this low right here. So right there we have our sell side liquidity. Push down in. The only possible spot that could possibly bounce from be right around here, 40.20 to 40.24. But if you run the sell side liquidity and you do not bounce here, well, you have what we consider kind of like a low resistance liquidity run. We would be targeting this low, and this low. Okay. And right now, our rejection risk on an upsize move would be to 41.35. Okay. So right here, we'll call this candle's high to low. All right, 50% equilibrium is 4,100. I've been telling my people do not trade 40.90 to 4,100. All right, so if you can get back above 4,100 and hold, break above that, then you can look for a move back up into 41.20, see what happens. All right, because this right here would be your optimal short, assuming that those highs don't get ran, and that would be these highs here that I'm talking about. As well as these relative equal highs, three-way across. Okay. That's what I would use as a plan moving forward. So use 40.50 as a pivot with 40.20 as a bounce. All right. And then the SPY levels we just talked about. Otherwise, what you're looking for is a run on all of these down into this level here. And then you obviously have all of these relative equal lows there. And that takes place at about 3,800. All right, so I'll keep it nice and simple for you guys this week. The only other thing that we want to touch on is maybe we could look at some levels for QQQ. So we're looking at gap fill, right, into around 303 range with a overhead supply area at 304.18, as well as 308. What you would like to see for continuation up is a reclaim of 304.30. Reclaim that, hold it, push 317, that's your upper value area, into 324. But any loss of 294.24, you're in an area for concern. All right, because then what you're looking at is 283.43 down into 262.43.